Action.
Hi, my name is Kevin,
And I'm Jerald.
and we just found out that fireworks are legal
in Mexico.
Right, and we're about to blow some stuff up. Ready?
Let's go blow some stuff up. Boogie,
Fire in the hole, gentlemen.
on we go.
No, that was fire.
Wait, come back away from the road, Boogie. Boogie?
Yeah.
Is Uncle Jerald and Uncle Kevin gonna blow their hands off?
Yeah. Ooh.
Come back over here, Boogie. Look it.
Fire in the hole.
That was what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
Now we're good.
I'm Kevin,
And I'm Jerald.
and we just blew some stuff up.
We just blew some stuff up.